Hi Dress Their Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the Day of the Dead Cat from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this very colorful cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And come right next to it, say about this wide, just enough room for a little nose, and then we're going to draw another circle. So about right here. And now that we have our circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now that we have the eyes in, let's go, oh no, actually, you know what, let's draw the nose first. Let's come in between the eyes, and then about right here in the center, we're going to round off this little nose, bring it to the center and connect. There, and then let's come straight down in the center, come straight down with a little line, and then we're going to curve out on both sides. And cap it off. There. Okay, then from there, let's surround the eyes with some decorations. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just go around the eye. Draw a circle around the eye. And then around this circle, we're going to come out about right here. And I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves that go all the way around. And stop about right here. So let's do the same thing on this side. Just curve around, and then a bunch of curves all the way around to decorate it. There. And then from there, let's see here. Let's come above the nose right here in this area, and I'm going to draw 3 circles that go straight up. Right in between the eyes, so say about right here, the 3 circles. And one of the most important elements I wanted to make sure to put in are these little curves. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to curve up right over the eye, and then curve in, and then one more really close to it, shorter, and curl in. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to drag a point across about right here. And once again, right above the eye, about right here, and then one more. And curl in this one. Now I'm just going to come back in here and just thicken it up a little bit. I just felt these 2 curls are very important, and so that's why I'm starting with the eyes, just to make sure I get these 2 curls in. Because I started with the Squishmallow body shape first, and then I didn't have enough room to put these 2 curls in, so I think this is just much better to start with the eyes first. Then from there, right in this triangular area, we're going to put right here in the center a circle for our flower. So we're just going to draw this one big flower with 5 petals. Three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, you know what? 6, right? No, well, no, I don't have enough room, so I'm just going to make it 5 petals. There. Okay, so now we have the main elements, and now we can go ahead and surround the face and frame it up. So let's say the center of our eye right here, I'm just going to come really close to it and give myself a point. right here. And we're going to draw a big curve that goes above, slightly above the center of this flower. So I'll just give myself a point right here. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just draw the squishmallow shape. So I'm just going to go up. It's a little bit thinner, this curve at the top. So we're about here. Just going to curve down. So same thing on the other side. I'm going to aim to come back to here. If it's easier for you to just draw the squishmallow body first, the shape, and then put in the eyes, definitely do that as well. But like I said, I tried it that way and then I ran out of room at the top for all the decorations. Okay, so then now that I have this big curve, I'm going to bring this in right underneath the eye and curve it in. So this is the mask area. And then I'm going to come right to my center, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to flatten it up at the bottom, back to my point. So same thing here. There. So we just want this shape where it's narrower at the top, and come back in here and make some adjustments. So I'm drawing pretty big, so okay, so narrower at the top and wider on the sides. Then from there we can come in, let's just draw the main shape first before we put in more details. So it's come straight up once again in the center, about right here. And this is going to be the top of the head, and I'm just going to go really close. So follow the curve you made. And same thing here, just follow your curve. There, and then now we're just going to drag this down for the body. So just your general squishmallow shape. Just bring this down. Oops, and it's all up to you how tall or short you want your squishmallow to be. I'm just going to come up to about right here. And here, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom. There. Now that we finally have the main body shape in, let's go ahead and make it look like a cat, right? So we're going to put in some ears. So about this area right here, I'm just going to start with this side. I'm going to go up and pop out these big cat ears, round off the tip, and bring it all the way down. See about there. And I'm going to draw the inside. So just following my outside. And let's make this a little bit wider. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across so that my ears are approximately the same area. So let's go up, nice and high, just like the other side. And I'm just going to drag this point across so I approximate, let's say about right here. And around on the tip, and then bring it back down to my point right here. So when you're drawing big, it just makes it a little bit easier to give yourself points. Okay, so then the same thing, we're just going to come in here and draw the inside. Just follow your outside. There. Now we know it's a cat, right? And then from there, let's see. Now we can go ahead and decorate it, but well, actually, no, before that, let's add some whiskers right here. And here, and here. So now we know for sure it's a cat. Okay, so then now to make it really pretty, let's come to, let's see here, like in this area, I'm just going to, since I don't have much room for more flowers, I'm just going to come right here and add some of these kind of raindrop shapes, these teardrop shapes. And here, so I'm trying to follow the original Squishmallow plushie, but I don't really have much room, so I'm just going to put whatever I can. But the original has 3 flowers right there. So just take a look at your cat and see how much room you have, and of course this is just to inspire you. So you can definitely come up with your own patterns or whatever you want to add. I just love this cat because it's so colorful, and I just thought it would be really fun for you to draw and color it. So right underneath the mouth, we're going to put 3 circles. So I'm starting with the center just so I know it's nice and even. And then once again, we're going to put 2 of these drops in here as well. There. Okay, so that's for the face. Then now for the ears. Once again, right here, we're just going to add this little drop shape and then 3. Since I have enough room, I'm going to add 3 circles on this side as well. So we're going to do the same thing on the other ear. And then now for the body, right in the center, we're going to add this very important flower. So come down a little bit and say about right here, just like that flower. I'm going to add a big circle right here in the center. And then we're going to draw the flower. So this time, let's add 6 petals. I'll make sure I have enough room. 3, 4, 5, and 6 there. Bigger flower. And then we can draw the rib cage. So let's come right underneath this flower, whatever room you have left. So just take a look at your amount of space that you have. And right here, we're just going to draw our center. We're just going to draw this big, long oval, and then the ribs. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to draw 3 of them. We're going to curve, kind of following that shape, and draw 3 of these curves. And we're all starting right here. And it's going to get shorter and shorter. And 1 more. So if you don't have enough space, just drag your body down lower. Okay, so same exact thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have the ribs in, we have more room to decorate. So let's come right here, and we're going to draw more of these raindrop shapes. And same thing here. And 3 more circles right here. Kind of going at a curve. And same thing here. There, and that is pretty much it for this Day of the Dead cat from Squishmallows. And I just realized I haven't added a heart, right? So, where should we add this heart? Let's tuck it in somewhere. So I'll put one right here. I should have thought about that earlier. I totally forgot. And since we want to make it nice and even, I'm going to put another one right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Day of the Dead cat from Squishmallows turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.